Dexter's snoring. Let's see if you can hear it. Can you hear it? It's really low. Not only does my boyfriend snore like a wildebeest, Dexter snores too. But you know what? I find everything about Dexter cute. It's a tiny little snore. It's actually very soothing. It doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't sound like some snorting hog. Right, Dexter? I love cats. So my friend's coming over because we're gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna wear on the trip. And for some reason I ate so much today. That's why, because I want my stomach sticking out in all the outfits. Yay me.